Today is 5th of February 2011 and we are in Zurich in Switzerland doing one of our meetings of Siora. So it's with us one of the greatest athletes in Europe, and I would like to interview him a little bit. I will speak in his mother language and let's see what he will say about us, about Siora and his successes with Siora. Drago mi je što si tu. Znači, ako se možeš predstaviti, reci gdje živiš, ko si, šta si.
Dobar dan, ja sam Milanko Puranović, živim u Švajcarskoj, inače sam iz Bosne, živim ovdje u Montreuxu, pričam francuski, zato nisam na engleski jezik.
So he's coming from Montreal, from south of Switzerland, and in fact originally he's from Bosnia, so he doesn't speak English unfortunately, but he's good at other languages. Please, možeš nastaviti, izvoli.
Koristim Siouru sada 4 mjeseca. Ovo su moje titule kako sam počeo da koristim, znači 4 mjeseca 4 titule, što je fenomenalno.
Can I just translate now? Yes, thank you. So he said that he's right now using Siora's products for 4 months. In these 4 months he have won 4 medals. So can we see which medal is for something? Možeš nam reći zašto je koja medalja koju imaš?
Ovo je medalja u Švajcarskoj.
This he won in Switzerland. Ovo je srebrna za?
Ja, drugo mjesto.
Drugo mjesto.
Yes.
This is the second place. That was the first one.
Ovo je bilo Abu Dhabi Championship.
To je Championship iz Abu Dhabija.
Prvo mjesto, first.
From Abu Dhabi, it was the first place.
Ovo je bilo u decembru u Parizu.
This was in December in Paris.
Prvo mjesto.
I to je, ovo je europski.
Yes.
And this is European Championship. So he is really a winner of the European Championship.
A ovo je bilo u Portugali, Lisbon, isto Europa Championship, isto number 1.
So he's fighting in several different categories,
yes.
And also in this category in Portugal, not recently, he was also winning the first prize. So how do you feel with Siora? Why Siora? Kako se osjećaš sa Siorom? Zašto Siora?
Pa počeo sam da koristim Siouru jer jednog prijatelja znam koji je u Siauri, Damir Kuzminski. Pričali smo i dao mi je, rekao mi evo ti i probaj i vidimo se nakon par dana i kako se osjećaš.
So Damir Kuzminski, which is also his personal sponsor, is his dear friend. And he just said to him, look, there are the products, just try them, and I will call you after 2 to 3 days, and you will tell me how do you feel. I kako je bilo onda?
I onda sam uzeo ove bandaže i stavio i išao sam na trening koje je normalno. I imao sam prvi turnir, i osvojio drugo mjesto.
I kako je bilo prvi put sa narukvicama, ako mogu to za početak pitati sa treningom?
Pa, sad nisam baš odmah nešto primijetio, ali imao sam volju da vidim baš šta je, jer sam gledao internet, web stranicu i vidio sam da je stvarno jako poznato i rekao i ja ću da probam, jer ima isto sportaša koji su kod vas i rekao da vidim i da li će na meni da utječe.
So he really took it because he was also seeing our website with all the sports athletes that we have already in States, and he said to himself, I need to see if this is working or not, and so on and so on. After a few days of using this our product, he was winning his first medal.
Well, Barbara, it's great to be here in Switzerland, Zurich, and let Ken Rasner know that I have a new bodyguard that I'm going to take wherever I go around the world. So I'm now going to be safe and sound.
So he's coming also recently in June. He's coming to the World Championship in California, and we will really put our fingers together, yes, to win him the championship. So we will be closely looking what is happening. So good luck, really. So let's do what we will say.
Drago mi što koristim Siouru.
I'm very glad to use Siora.
Koristit ću je dok budem živ i trenirao.
And I will use it till I'm alive and I will do trainings.
Yes. I'm Siora Championship.
So we are Siora.
You will see I'm coming.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.